In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a search bar on your WordPress website. So before we get into this, guys, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video. I would appreciate that, as I'm not selling you guys anything, so all of this is free value. But with that being said, let's just get started. Alright, so you want to sign in to your WordPress website, of course, and then next up, you want to go to plugins and click add new. Because in order to do this, we're going to be using a free plugin, because there's a way to also add a search bar without installing a plugin, but it's not going to work for every theme, and I don't know which theme you're currently using, so I'm just going to show you the best way that will probably work for most people. So you want to go to the plugins, and then you want to search for Ivory Search, which will probably show up already. Let's see. Nope. Let's just go with Ivory then. And let's see. There we go. Ivory Search WordPress search plugin. So you want to install this. You can see that it also has 50k active installations and a 5-star review. So make sure to click install. It's then going to install. You of course want to stick around and make sure to activate it as well. There we go. And yep, there we go. Alright, so we've just activated our new plugin. Let's see if it's already showing up. Yes, it does. So right here you can now view Ivory Search. If you simply click on it, we can get started and set this up. So of course you want to click allow, because otherwise it's obviously not going to work. So make sure to pretty much give permission, and there we go. If you now go to menu search right there, you can see this. So first of all, display search form on selected menu locations. So you can preview and make sure that it shows up on the primary menu, navigation menu, and then also this. So choose where you want it to show up, then click save, and there you go. Settings are saved. Let's go into the actual settings, because on here you can actually change all of these settings. So we've got header search. Select search from a form to display inside header. So what you would do there is click the default one, or you can create a brand new one, and you would then set this up right here. So you can allow people to search for posts, pages, media files, and more. So I'm just going to call this demo. Click save all. There we go. Let's see. All right, so we've got that set up. So right here we can grab the code if we want to. I'm just going to save this form, and then if I go back into the settings right here, I'm pretty sure that I would then be able to add it. Let's see. All right, so these are more settings in the menu search now, because I just created a form. So we can select a color for the search bar or for the search section. Let's say I make it red, it will show up. And this is pretty much where you can add a lot of these settings for the search bar. So make sure to pay attention to all of this and set it up correctly. So let me just save that part, and then let me click right here on settings. There we go. If I now go to header search, click right there, I can find the form that I just created, which is the demo one. If I then click save, that will save as well. Please note that the above, yeah, all right, perfect. But if you then click right here, you can also do it. You can add that, and that's pretty much what you can do in order to add a specific form on your search page. Now, once you've customized all of this to your needs, then what you can do, and by the way, you've got mobile search as well. So display search form inside header on mobile devices. If you want it to appear on your mobiles as well, click on it and then save it. Let's click save right here, and then we should be good to go. So with that being said, guys, I'm pretty sure that you've just created a search bar on your WordPress website, and let's see what it actually looks like. If you guys take a look right here in the top left corner, you'll see a search here bar pretty much. So on here I can then type in whatever and I can search for it. Alright, so this actually works. Of course you can customize it to whatever you want. Like I said, I didn't actually do the color customization. I didn't make it look good, but what you can do is simply go into settings or go into the search forms and set it up correctly and make it look good and make it fit your website. But this is the easiest way to add a search bar on your WordPress website without paying or without any complicated stuff. Now, with that being said, like I said in the intro, I would appreciate a like on the video. I'm not selling you guys courses or whatever. I'm not trying to get your money. So I would appreciate a like. That's all I'm looking for. And yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.